states, E pluribus unum, out of many one, is inscribed on the scroll held in the eagle's beak and refers to this union. The all of the pyramids represent ancient Egypt, where the Colosseum represents Rome. At first glance,
Okay. So guys, we're here at the Hoover Dam now. 3.5 mile hike from Lake Mead, which is down there, Lake Mead. But yeah, we're here at the dam. And for Monday, it's pretty busy. We're here at the intakes. This is Nevada's, and that over there is Arizona's. We're gonna go walk over there and take a look. Okay guys, we're about in the middle right now. We're coming over to the Arizona side. And, as you can see, it's not that busy. Okay guys, we're about to head over to the other side, and we're gonna head up. I'll go check out the bridge. Got some pictures of the fish. Okay guys, here's the other side of the dam. This is actually the riverside. It's pretty cool. We're gonna head over to the bridge now. Probably about maybe a mile and a half maybe to get there. But yeah. Alright guys, this is the last view of the Hoover Dam from this side. We're heading to the bridge now. It's pretty cool. This is the visiting center. We're not going to go in there today. Okay guys, here we're at the monument to the camp dog, the dam dog. Is that supposed to be buried here? It was the mascot of the dam. Okay guys, we're back here at the top of the parking structure. There's Susan. Susan, you gonna be able to make it back the 5 miles back to, or what, 4 miles?
No choice.
4.5 miles back to the truck. We're gonna take a little trip over to the bridge, which is over there. It's only a half mile, but then you gotta walk all the way out to the center of the bridge to where the Arizona-Nevada border is. Okay guys, we're at the bridge. We got all these switchbacks. Or you can take the stairs. Susan took the switchbacks. She's taking the stairs. Okay guys. We're going out on the bridge. Don't mind the noise because there's a road here. Standing in the middle, state line, Arizona, Nevada. We're now standing in the middle of the bridge. Wow, that's really, really high. It's beautiful up here. Okay guys, now it's back to the truck. We got 4 miles to go before dark. It's a little after 1 o'clock. Susan's gonna be able to make it, Susan?
Yes.
Okay, Susan's gonna make it. This will be like about 8-mile day? Yeah, at least an 8-mile day for us, which is good. And one last look at the Hoover Dam. From up here on the bridge. I don't see any fish on this side. Normally you do, but not this time. Sorry for the noise, but it's traffic. I think it's going to be more of a of a death march for Susan. No, she's not doing too bad. Okay guys, we're back at the truck. This hike was nice. It's not too hard. I mean, it's a very easy hike for the distance. You do get to see the Hoover Dam, and you do get to see the Memorial Bridge, and that's about it. If you like what you've seen, please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.